In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital downloads on Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to use. From the main dashboard, open Commerce and go to your product or store settings. Next, create a new product by clicking Add Product. Choose Digital as the product type. Enter the name of your digital download, such as an ebook, template, guide, or downloadable file. After that, set your price and upload the digital file customers will receive after purchasing. Add a product description and an image so customers know exactly what they're buying. Now, review your product settings. Make sure the file is correct, the price is accurate, and the product is available for purchase. You can also organize it into a category if you have multiple digital products. Next, check your payment settings. Make sure your Squarespace store is connected to an available payment processor so customers can complete their purchases. Finally, preview your product page and test the checkout process. Make sure the customer can successfully purchase the product and receive the digital download after payment. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell digital downloads on Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.